Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z8751A. Only 67,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, taupe gray metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, as you can see. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Gauges, again only 67,000 miles, with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with the owner's materials inside. And moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 34 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.